Good morning students, welcome in computer class. Today we are going to start new chapter number 3, computer devices. Open your computer book, take out page number 29. All are ready now? Before start this lesson, there is one activity for you, an activity name get ready activity. Which activity is this? Get ready activity. So in this activity you have to trace the dots to complete the picture. Color the picture using the color code. Here one code given. Yes, for monitor you have to use pink color, mouse blue color. For CPU, give purple color. Speakers, give orange color. And for keyboard, here the color given red. Okay. So you have to use this color code and fill the color here in the given picture. Okay. Here one question is given. Which part is called the brain of the computer? In last class we learnt about it, right? Which part is called the brain of the computer? Yes, CPU. Very good. So write down CPU here. Done? Next question. Which part is used to listen to music? Yes. Which part is used to listen to music? Look at here. Which part is this? Yes, speakers. So write down here speakers. Okay. Next, which part looks like a TV? Yes, correct. Monitor. So write down here monitor. Okay. And which part has keys? Write down the answer here. Yes, keyboard. Correct. वहाँ पे जगह नहीं थी इसलिए मैंने ऊपर लिखा, लेकिन आप ब्लैंक पर ही आंसर लिखोगे. क्लियर? So which part is called the brain of the computer? CPU. Which part is used to listen to music? Speakers. Which part looks like a TV? Monitor. And which part has keys? Yes, keyboard. Okay. Let's move to the next slide. So today we are going to start new topic. Okay, input, processing and output devices, right? There are different parts of the computer, yes, that help in input, process and output. We know that a computer works in 3 steps. All of you know, in last lesson we learnt about IPO cycle. Yes, okay. So computer works on IPO cycle, means input, process and output. Understood this? So we know that a computer works in 3 steps. IPO. Those devices that help in giving input to the computer are called input devices. Okay, so those devices that help in giving input to the computer are called input devices. Input accepts a data given by the user. Okay, those devices means whenever you give the input to the computer, the CPU is the processing device of the computer. Yes, processing is going on, right? So the CPU is a processing device. Yes, so processing works on data according to the instructions. Okay, processing works on a data according to the instructions. The next is output. Output gives the desired result. Yes, those devices that give output from the computer are called output devices, right? And next here, the storage stores the information according to our need. Yes, one storage system is also there. Yes, to store the information, to store the data. Okay, So all of you understood this. So computer works on IPO cycle. Computer works on IPO cycle. Let us recall the four parts of the computer and see which kind of device they are. There are how many parts? Main parts? Yes, four main parts are there. Four main parts of the computer and see which kind of device they are. So now look at the first one, keyboard. A keyboard has many buttons called keys. Yes, small keys are there on the board. It is used to type on the computer. It is an input device. Yes, it is used to type on the computer and it is an input device. यानी जब भी हम कीबोर्ड का यूज़ करते हैं कुछ डेटा टाइप करने के लिए, इसका मतलब होता है कि हम कंप्यूटर को इनपुट दे रहे हैं, राइट. तो कीबोर्ड क्या है? इनपुट डिवाइस है जिसे यूज़ करके हम कंप्यूटर में को इनपुट देते हैं. यस, सो अ कीबोर्ड हैज़ मेनी बटन्स कॉल्ड कीज. इट इज़ यूज टू टाइप ऑन द कंप्यूटर. इट इज़ एन इनपुट डिवाइस. ओके, understood this? Okay, then the next, mouse. A mouse has two buttons. Look at here, a mouse has two buttons and in the middle one scroll wheel is there. Okay, we use the mouse to click, point to, select and move things on the monitor. It is an input device. Now all of you understood this. Keyboard and mouse is an input devices. Yes, keyboard and mouse are input devices. So keyboard is an input device, mouse is an input device. Okay, then the next, look at here, one big box is there. This is called a CPU. CPU controls all other parts of the computer. It is the brain of the computer. Okay, the CPU is inside a box called the CPU box or CPU cabinet. ओके, द CPU इज़ द प्रोसेसिंग डिवाइस. यानी कंप्यूटर में हम जो भी इनपुट दे रहे हैं, जो भी डेटा है, डेटा फिल कर रहे हैं, जो भी इंस्ट्रक्शंस हम कंप्यूटर को दे रहे हैं, उसके ऊपर प्रोसेस करने का काम कौन सा डिवाइस करता है? CPU. ओके, एंड CPU कंट्रोल्स ऑल अदर पार्ट्स ऑफ द कंप्यूटर. And that's why the CPU is called the brain of the computer. Understood this? And that's why CPU is called the brain of the computer. Understood? Okay. Next device, monitor. The monitor shows everything that we do on a computer. It is also called the visual display unit. Visual display unit means VDU, visual display unit. Okay, the monitor shows everything that we do on a computer. है ना, हम कंप्यूटर पे जो कुछ भी कर रहे हैं उसका जो डिस्प्ले होता है वो हमें मॉनिटर के स्क्रीन पे देखने को मिलता है, राइट. अगर हम गेम्स खेल रहे हैं तो हमें गेम्स दिखेंगे. अगर हम कुछ टाइपिंग वर्क कर रहे हैं तो हमें टाइपिंग वर्क हमें जो भी हम कर रहे हैं कंप्यूटर में वो हमें मॉनिटर पे डिस्प्ले होगा, दिखेगा, राइट. द मॉनिटर शोज एवरीथिंग दैट वी डू ऑन अ computer. It is also called the visual display unit. It is an output device. It is an output device. Understood this? So this all are the main parts of the computer. This all are the main parts of a computer: monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Keyboard and mouse are input devices, monitor output device and CPU is a processing device. Understood this? Okay. Next, some more input devices are given below. The first one here, microphone. Look at this image properly. This is a microphone. A microphone helps to record our own voice and other sounds. Okay, a microphone helps to record our own voice and other sounds. तो माइक्रोफोन हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं? रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए, है ना, या फिर कुछ अलग साउंड्स जो होते हैं उसको हमें रिकॉर्ड करने के लिए माइक्रोफोन यूज़ करते हैं. एंड द नेक्स्ट, Yes, next device name is scanner. A scanner copies a picture or drawing into a computer. Okay, so a scanner copies a picture or drawing into a computer. Scanner के थ्रू हम क्या कर सकते हैं, कोई भी पिक्चर की इमेज हम स्कैन कर सकते हैं, उसकी कॉपी स्कैन कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो a scanner copies a picture or drawing into a computer, and these two are the input devices, microphone and scanner. Then the next output devices. The first output device here, printer. Printer, it prints the information from a computer to a paper. Right? It prints the information from a computer to a paper. The output printed on a paper is called the hard copy. The output printed on a paper is called a hard copy. It can be colored or black and white. Okay, so we use a printer to get data from the computer on a paper. This is called a printing. Suppose हमने एक ग्रिडिंग बनाया हुआ है कंप्यूटर पे, राइट, और हमने पेंट में बनाया, लेकिन अभी उसका हमें प्रिंट आउट निकालना है ना. तो जो हम प्रिंट आउट निकालेंगे उसके लिए हमें कौन सा डिवाइस यूज़ करना पड़ेगा, यस, प्रिंटर. ओके, द प्रिंटेड पेपर इज़ कॉल्ड अ प्रिंट आउट. जो हम प्रिंटेड पेपर निकालेंगे प्रिंटर में से, उसको हम कहते हैं प्रिंट आउट या फिर कहते हैं हार्ड कॉपी. अंडरस्टूड. इट कैन बी कलर्ड. अगर आपका प्रिंटर कलर होगा तो कलर कॉपी निकलेगी, अगर आपका प्रिंटर ब्लैक एंड वाइट होगा तो ब्लैक एंड वाइट कॉपी निकलेगी. यस, अंडरस्टूड दिस चिल्ड्रन. ओके, द नेक्स्ट डिवाइस हियर, हेडफोन्स. Headphones also help to listen to sounds from the computer. By wearing a headphone, sounds can be heard only by the person wearing them. Yes, so headphones also help to listen to sounds from the computer, है ना. लेकिन हेडफोन हम किस लिए यूज़ करते हैं, ताकि हम जो कुछ हम हेडफोन पे सुन रहे हैं उससे बाकी के लोग डिस्टर्ब नहीं होते, है ना. अंडरस्टूड दिस. So by wearing a headphone, sounds can be heard only by the person wearing them. Clear? Okay. And the next one is speakers. Speakers help to listen to songs and other sounds from the computer. With a speakers attached to a computer, everyone can hear the sound. Yes, speakers help to listen to song, music and other sounds from the computer. With speakers attached to a computer, everyone can hear the sound, है ना. स्पीकर से क्या होता है, अगर हमने कोई कंप्यूटर पे कोई म्यूज़िक हमने चलाया तो वो सभी को वो स्पीकर्स के थ्रू क्या होता है, सुनाई जाता है. राइट, अंडरस्टूड दिस. सो स्पीकर इज एन आउटपुट डिवाइस. क्लियर. So today we learnt about 4 main parts of the computer. Yes, keyboard, mouse, CPU and monitor. Keyboard and mouse are input devices. CPU is a processing device. Monitor is an output device, and some other devices are also there like microphone, scanner. Yes, then speakers, headphone and printer. I hope all of you understood today's topic. Thank you, students.